looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family? Then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Renegade Limited in Colorado Red. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, satin granite roof rails, lane departure warning plus, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6673.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.